So Jared has 440 marbles. For every 5 marbles he has, there are 6 yellow marbles. How many yellow marbles does he have? So for every 5 green, there will be 6 yellow. Which means we can group this up. Just now it was really group for us, right? So one page is one group. So now this one we have to group ourselves. So each group will always have 5 green and 6 yellow. In total, you don't know how many groups are there, but in total, there will be 440 marbles. So one group, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 marbles, right? We just have to take 440 divided by 11 to find out how many groups are there. So groups means one such circle. So number of groups is just 440 divided by 11. That gives you 14. So you already found out that there's 40 groups. And each group has how many yellow? Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group has 6 yellow. So to find out the number of yellow marbles, just have to take the number of yellow marbles in one group times the number of groups, which times the total number of groups, which is 40. So that will be 6 times 40, which should give you 240. I hope things are clear.